come out of the holding pattern. So we have um, the priestess card, which is a U-shaped dip. However, sometimes it's also a holding pattern I'm finding. So um, what we have in the last hour is successfully turning resistance into new support, and we have a fast sudden move higher to what looks to be like a high right around the close. Still, I would be prepared to play volatility. Like this was definitely like this was the drop that I was looking at. Just yesterday, I was talking about how it might happen during times when you don't have like an opportunity to do anything. Like in other words, in the extended hours. So we're talking about the S&P 500 for those of you on TikTok that may just be joining. This is the S&P 500. You can actually check out our YouTube channel. We're live on Facebook and YouTube right now, looking at the S&P 500 chart and cross-referencing that with our our 1 day reading for the S&P 500 for today. So yeah, we've got the success card successfully turning resistance into new support and a fast sudden move higher right around the close. I actually purchased calls today. I wasn't sure if I wanted to today or not. It's an iffy day. Tomorrow's really the day you should start trading. But I purchased calls around 1250 ish, right after we passed up through the 200-day moving average. So as of right now, they're a little bit below what I paid. They went up a bit higher than dropped. What I'm looking for is a sell at the very end of the day. When we look at the 1 month overview, Sunday we have a revisiting of a crest within some erratic behavior back and forth through the same price level. It's also correlated to a month's major crest, and there's a sharp decline tied into this as well. So for tomorrow, or I should say Monday, excuse me. We got that ruin coming up twice. Well, just to be clear, guys, those calls, either way, I'm getting out end of the day because we have reversals, generally speaking, like right around when we have the stations of retrograde and station direct for Mercury. There's generally like a pause on that day and then a reversal within like a day or two of that. Usually on the day, but it can be within a day or two of that. So again, guys, just looking out for that pop at the end of the day. There should be a big move to the upside. Be careful of that. It is an up day. We have a breakout from the low. We have a move higher through along a diagonal trend line, breaking through horizontal support, meeting a secondary support, and then we pull back to somewhere between those two price levels. That's the behavior around the high for the S&P 500 today. So it's looking, and then you mix that with the wealth card. It's looking like we have an up day. So just be careful as we move into the last hour here, guys. And especially as we move into the close where we should see a real fast sudden move to the upside. I'll be back on as things progress, guys. I'm working on a couple more readings that I want to get out for June. I know it's the 3rd, but I already did the work. I just got to do the recording, and we'll have a few more Junes coming out, and then everything after that is going to be July or later. Thanks for watching, my friends, and I may be back on as things progress right around the close. Otherwise, I'll see you on Monday. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and that follow button if you want to see more of this stuff, especially you guys on TikTok. If you're looking for a psychic that actually knows something about the stock market, I was a Wall Street broker in 2007. My first day trade was in 2000. I made $12,000 on my first day trade, and then I lost $9,000 of it on my second day trade. It was a real learning experience. But you know, that was 2000, and since that time, I've been in the finance industry almost entirely. For a few years when I did traveling, and a few other years where I was doing marketing. But for the most part, it's been industry, finance industry, and I don't know anybody else on the planet who's done even close to 1,000 one-day predictions of the S&P 500 by the hour, let alone have the accuracy anywhere near 98%. So I would follow if you're into the stock market. Basically, everything on our YouTube channel is free. We're doing more and more predictions as we go. Thanks for watching.